The French box is a martial art which is different from the English boxing. In French box or boxe française, feet are also used. Two students of French box are going to show us this martial art. We will also speak about some other famous sports among youth.
Welcome all. Here is a program by the School of Foreign Languages. This program is made in the aim to show to our listeners and spectators what is going on in France. Today we are going to speak about the sports practiced by the youth in France, and especially one martial art called boxe française, and it is also known as savate, which means so French boxing. To talk about this topic, we have with us two special guests. So here there is Mano with 13 years old. Bonjour Mano.
Bonjour.
So we have also Pierre.
Bonjour.
With 19 years old. So both of them are practicing, they are students of this martial art called boxe française. So now we will ask some questions to Mano and Pierre in French and in English. So bonjour tous les deux. Alors tout d'abord, est-ce que vous pourriez nous donner des petites indications sur l'histoire de cet art martial? Comment est-ce qu'il est né? So please Mano, tell us a little bit, when was born the French boxing?
Elle est apparue au 19e siècle.
Okay, so it was born at the beginning of the 19th century. And can you tell us please, in which place? Est-ce que vous pouvez nous dire s'il vous plaît?
À Marseille.
Où est-ce que c'est né?
Alors, en fait, ce sport est un mix en fait du nord et du sud, encore une fois.
D'accord.
Du chausson marseillais.
The French boxing was born at the 19th century. It took place in two different places. It was practiced in Paris, and it was bad people who practiced that. So, and there is at the beginning of the 19th century also another sport who were practiced in Marseille, at the south of France. It was the sailors originally who invented this sport. So the boxe française or savate is an amalgam between those two street arts. So now we have with us two practitioners of that sport. And before doing a demonstration, please just tell us what is it concretely? What kind of technical steps do you do in this sport?
Okay.
Donc s'il vous plaît, dites-nous qu'est-ce que ça fait intervenir comme partie du corps, et puis citez-nous quelques pas de boxe.
Essentiellement, la savate se base sur des attaques qui partent des jambes.
D'accord.
Donc ça va être des chassés, des directs, des fouettés, qu'on vous montrera après. Ensuite, il faut savoir que la boxe française utilise aussi les poings, mais seulement les poings. En fait, à la base, le principe était d'utiliser la gifle. Juste la gifle, le plat de la main. Et au fil du temps, ça s'est transformé juste les poings, donc le direct, le crochet, l'uppercut, mais pas les coups de coude comme dans d'autres arts.
D'accord. So the particularity of the French boxing is that it allows as well the hand and the foot. So with the foot, we have some technical steps as le chassé, which is the piston action kicking. They will show us, and also you are allowed to use the hand with punches. Originally, it was not punches; it was only a slap. But with the time and the evolution, it became the punch in the gloves. So that's all. This is forbidden, as well as the knees and that's all. So please, Pierre and Mano, let us demonstrate some steps of this art. Thank you, Mano and Pierre, for this nice demonstration. So, as I can observe, you always put the punch here.
Yeah.
And what is it for? Qu'est-ce que c'est pour quoi faire?
C'est pour pas se prendre de coups dans le visage.
Okay, so it's for protecting the face. Okay, we are allowed to punch the face also in boxe française. Okay, thank you. And now we can talk about the other sports which are well known and among the youths. So la boxe française a la particularité donc d'utiliser les poings et les pieds. Et notamment, il faut toujours mettre les poings devant le visage pour se protéger. Donc ici, ils nous ont fait la démonstration du pas chassé, du fouetté et du direct. Donc nous avons eu droit à 3 techniques différentes par Mano et Pierre. Alors maintenant, nous allons un petit peu parler des autres sports qui sont communément pratiqués en France. Donc Pierre, please. Tell us what are the most popular sports among the youth. Dis-nous quels sont les sports les plus populaires parmi la jeunesse française.
Alors en premier je dirais que ce serait le football, qu'on retrouve à peu près partout, tout le monde y joue, ainsi que le rugby.
D'accord, so the 2 most famous sports in France among the youth and even among the adults are the football. You know, the French football is very famous. As you have cricket in India, we have the football in France. And the second one is the rugby. Okay, thank you very much. And one of you practice football or rugby?
Non.
And
Des fois avec les amis, mais pas...
Okay, so for playing on Sunday, they used to play football with family and friends. Donc en France, c'est vrai que même si on ne fait pas partie d'une équipe de football, on en fait le dimanche avec les amis, la famille. C'est courant. D'accord.